Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 树 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. 树 method. Technique. For example, 艺术 art. Now check this sentence. New arts have been born in the course of the history of man. 在人类历史发展进程中，新的艺术不断诞生。New arts have been born in the course of the history of man. 在人类历史发展进程中，新的艺术不断诞生。在人类历史发展进程中，在人类历史发展进程中，新的艺术不断诞生。树 in cursive. 树 method. Technique. 艺术 art. New arts have been born in the course of the history of man. 在人类历史发展进程中，新的艺术不断诞生。树 Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character 树. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.